Alright, we're live, Dane, we're live. You nervous?
I am so nervous.
Come on, Elaine gonna take this one. Come on, Elaine.
It's not even Veronica Campbell.
Come on, Elaine. If Shelly get the start,
nervous
if Shelly get her bullet start, them not catch her back. But Elaine, watch it.
Alright, oh, so 1, 2, 3.
I should make drugs
Come
up
on,
America.
let's do it!
Oh my God! Whoa!
I can't. Oh my
Talu.
God. Yeah, I like her. She's nice and pleasant.
Talu. Oh, look at her! From Manchester High School! Elaine Thompson! Oh my God! And this is the American. You think she take drugs then?
Yeah, she take drugs, yeah?
Shelly and Fraser Price!
Boom!
Oh my God!
Let's go, Jamaica! Shall come nothing. Shall come about fifth.
No, what kind of name that she have?
A man, that man.
Dana, stop it.
A man!
Oh my God! I have
sister. Brother, sister.
I have my colleagues watching, so I can't say any such bad thing. Maybe a bronze medal. Oh my God! All right, here we go. Come on, Shelly.
Come on!
NBC.
Relax.
No, sir. NBC is the worst. Let me do my own coverage. Shelly, come on.
Greg, relax now.
Ilian, come on. I am relaxed. Relaxed.
Chill.
All right, here we go. Shall I go get a bullet start? She ready, Shelly. She ready. Come on, Ilian! Come on, Ilian! Oh, Shelly's coming back! Come on, Ilian! Oh my God! Elaine Thompson! Shelly, look like she gets
come second. Oh my God.
Elaine Thompson! Manchester High School! Wow! Manchester High! Whoa!
A big side, Chester!
A big side!
Chester!
A big side!
Chester!
A big